Hello everyone! Hello! Tita and Tito! Nakasama na talaga ako sa vlog ni Mama. Ba? Be, tingnan nyo. Siya pa ang naglagay dyan. Natawa ako guys kasi she was carrying with the box oh. Tapos nilagay niya dyan. Uy! Uy! Wow! Good girl! Good morning! Where's the big girl going? Did you say good morning now? Baby Celine? Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back!
What channel?
To our channel with our baby Celine! Nasa nakbibo siya, baby Celine? There she's there! It is Tuesday, everyone. And you know when it's Tuesday, Ate Paris goes to?
A gym.
Uy! You go to the gym?
Yeah.
Ate Paris goes to school. And it's very exciting kasi first time na sasama ang ating baby girl. Sa sasakyan lang naman. Nak, no? Only in the car, nak, no? Kaya, ayan. She's looking warm. Our daddy Max din na, oh. Naghihintay na. Hello. Hello. Hi, everyone. Hindi ako masyadong groggy today. Kasi I slept last night.
Where's Paris?
Ding ding! Hello everyone! Hello! Tita and Tito! Nakasama na talaga ako sa vlog ni Mama. Ba? And guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking buhok kasi mom life. I'm still trying to adjust guys yung buhay ng dalawang anak. Oh my God. Hindi ako makapaniwala na nanay na ako ng dalawa ngayon. And nauubo pa ang aking buhok kaya nakaganyan lang. Say hi kay Daddy.
Morning. Have you got the khakis?
Mine.
Marimba. Handbag?
Which one?
That's the Bagay. Yes, right. Good girl, ate. Tingnan niyo, nakabag na oh. Ayan. Nagmamadali din kami guys kasi pupunta dito yung Midwife ngayong alas 2 para i-check.
Daddy.
No.
So, we're just gonna go say bye now. Intro lang to ha. Bye, Tita! Bye, Tito! See you later! Say bye-bye, baby Celine!
Say bye-bye, baby Celine. I love you.
I just want to say magic wand.
Magic wand. Tingnan niyo siya guys.
Oh, you keep being a
Magic.
good girl, okay?
Sila lang yung papasok ko guys. Hindi na ako papasok. Give mommy a kiss, be! Princess!
What's the number again?
The first 4 on the... I love you. The first 4 on the mobile number. Or the phone number, see?
9548. Come on.
Take care, honey. Baba. Kado sa Mama B. Kado, Mama B. The other way around.
Let's go.
Kiss Mama. Have a good day, okay? Take care, Paris. Tingnan natin ang ating isang bulilit dito, ba? Are you chilling? Are you chilling there, Nak? Hello, my little one. You like the car, don't you? You like the car? Yeah. We're at Ate Paris' school. We're dropping Ate Paris. Oh, God bless you, my love. God bless you. Look this. Yeah, hindi namin nilagyan ng hat guys kasi natatabunan yung mata niya minsan. Good girl ni mama eh.
A few moments later.
She's just cold.
Yeah, I'm saying it doesn't. I'm just noticed it's the time when she tends to kick off. It's when we take her clothes off.
So guys, kakaalis lang ni Tita, midwife. Ayan. So, time check. Mga, anong oras na nga ba ngayon? Pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking nasa. It's 2 o'clock, 2:12 in the afternoon. And here's our baby girl. Here's our one healthy baby girl. Here's the one healthy baby girl. Ayan. So, yun yung first check-up nila sa ating baby girl after discharging from the hospital. So, ano daw? So, everything is fine. Everything is well. So, they check the heart. Tapos, chinek nila yung hip, yung hip bone or something. Ayan, there's no issues. And then, they took some blood, no? They took some blood out, na. Were you crying? Were you crying? So, dito, they put, and kumuha sila ng sample ng blood. And then, what else did they do, na? Baba, can you remember? Can you remember? Ano pa ba yung ginawa? Oh, chinek nila yung jaundice ni Paris kasi nga 'di ba yung baby pag lumabas minsan yellow and hers is normal. So, got nothing to worry about. There's no need for a treatment or anything like that. Anak? And then yeah, and also one more thing na sobrang nag-worry ako guys, yung weight. Ush! Did you just spit? Did you just spit na? Huh? Mama, ma-wipe. So, yung weight... maybe let's just move you. So, yung one thing talaga na nag-worry ako, guys, is yung weight. Kasi nga, diba, baby Celine was so tiny. She's 2.8 kilos. Nung lumabas siya. So, parang kasi pag nakauwi na yung baby sa bahay, yung first check, it's very normal na mabawasan yung timbang nila kasi nga 'di ba wala pang talaga yung milk. Wala pa yung supply talaga. And then they said dapat not more than oh, God bless you my love. Not more than 10% ng kanilang weight yung mawala. But with baby Celine, there's nothing at all. Mga lang siguro, 2%? Ganon. Kasi nag-start na rin yung ating milk. Iba talaga ang breastfeed, guys. Iba talaga ang power ng breastfeed. Nak na. So, all in all, guys, I'm super happy with the with the checkup. It makes me really, really happy. Yun, chill lang yun siya, oh. Tsaka lang yan siya umiiyak kapag nag-change ka ng clothes. But other than that, she's happy. Naaamoy ko ng niluluto ni Daddy Mike. Nak, do you know what Daddy Mike's cooking, Nak? Do you know? Huh? Alam niyo ba kung anong niluluto ni Daddy Mike, guys? Kasi sinabihan niya ako kanina na special treat daw. Ginawa niya ako ng spam with egg. Alam niyo yung parang beef loaf na i-dip sa egg tapos i-fry with rice. So, I'm looking forward for my lunch. Oh, and also, one more thing. Yung result sa ating kahapon sa ating COVID test. Diba pumunta tayo, nagpa-COVID test tayo kasi kailangan because we have cough and cold before makakapunta yung midwife dito. So, obviously, nakapunta yung midwife dito. It means negative ang ating resulta. Super happy nung pagising ko kaninang umaga. May text message na Sabi negative daw. Kaya nakapunta yung midwife dito kasi negative tayo. No issues, thank you God. So, hindi na ako mag-stress ngayon. Nakita ko na si Manong Uber Eats. May binili si Daddy Mike. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you. Thank you
Have a
very
good day.
much. You too. Uber Eats.
And actually, even to Western standards, they're sort of making big money. And she's like, it doesn't really, like, she can't grasp it. I'm like, it's not because like, the fucking job, like, we're like a seller, right? But it's just about scamming, man, and luring people and fucking taking advantage. And you gotta remember, like, you're taking advantage of people from overseas.
Baba, chill sa kanya anak ha. Mag-eat sa si mama ug mag-drink na ka. Is that okay? Is that okay? Ngit-ngit manok, uy. Ang panahon, ngit-ngit. So, nakaluto na ang ating chef. Show me that, baby.
Quite happy with this one.
Are you?
Yeah.
Super proud of himself, guys.
My first attempt at cooking Filipino food.
Hindi ko pa alam kung ano ang tawag ito. Filipino ba to siya? But anyways,
It tastes Filipino, trust me.
meron rice
It tastes better than
and
Filipino that you
spam,
buy from the
eggs.
shops.
Nilagyan na ng lemon. It's all about the presentation, diba?
It's like a hybrid version of a sisig and a corned beef.
What?
It's like a hybrid version of a sisig and a corned beef and rice.
Okay. Thank you, Daddy.
Tell me what you think.
Yeah, I'll tell you once I eat it. And then ito yung dumating kanina na Uber Eats. Starbucks. Hot chocolate from Starbucks. Nag-order si Daddy Mike. Yeah, kain muna kami, guys. Bon appetito! Habang ang isa ay nag-chill-chill lang doon ng
A few moments later.
Tingnan niyo, guys. She's dressed up again. It's nearly 6 o'clock. We're gonna go pick up Ate Paris. Daddy's holding the little one sleeping. Oh, she just had milk. We're gonna go now. We'll see you later, guys. Mag-vlog kami mamaya pag nandito na si Ate Paris. Hang on, Daddy. Shut up. Oh, see you. She's very excited to see you. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, baby Celine.
Baby, see?
Yeah.
I can't see his face.
Can see her face? Yeah. All right, let's go home so you can see her face.
Yeah. I just want a magic wand.
You want the magic wand? All right.
I like the one like the parapet.
Where did you see it?
I can see it,
Okay, sit down.
but I'm waiting for Tito to bring my
Your
unicorn.
unicorn. That's right. Yeah. Come on. Labas muna kami, guys. Punta
I
kami na
want to go to the
sa
shop.
Mist Warehouse. May iwan si Daddy tsaka si Baby Celine.
I want to stay here.
Yeah. Daddy will look after Baby Celine.
But
Well, buy a few stuff.
I'm not going to do it after baby sleep.
What is that?
I'm not going to do it after baby sleep.
You're not gonna look after Baby Celine?
Yeah,
Why not?
because they stay in the
Oh yeah. Not you, because Daddy's fine. Come. Ang ating baby girl, ay hindi na pala baby girl yan, ay ate na pala yan siya. Nak, go look for what go?
I can't find the paper.
You can't find the paper. Oh, go. Try to find one. Go.
No, I can't find it.
And our little one is here. Ayan, pinadidi ko lang, guys.
Let me go out the door.
Where are you going?
I want to see it right here.
Sa daw?
I want to see out the door.
Hala, who's outside? May wakwak da, anak. Walk, walk.
Right?
Yes.
I just want to see is that voice there.
Look, oh. Kiss na lang, baby Celine. Hello, baby Celine.
Hi.
She's sleeping.
I want to see out the door is my toy.
Your toy? No, it's not yet, anak. The Tito don't deliver at night. Only in the morning.
No. No.
I hear noise ko, anak. Saba-saba. Because...
No.
This one mo?
Mama,
I love you,
I
Ate
just want
Paris.
to see my toy.
Yeah. It's not here yet, Baba.
No.
The daddy told you they will deliver it when they're ready. But they don't deliver during the night.
Yes, there are.
They don't.
Yes, there are.
Careful.
Yes, there are.
Oh, what did you say to baby Celine before when she was crying? You said, it's okay, baby Celine. Go gaga.
No.
Huh?
No.
Be sure, tita and tito, baby Celine's bouncer. Sure. Wow.
Are you this?
Ayan yung bouncer ng ating baby girl. Hindi pa niya nagamit, guys. Uy! Gusto ni parents na
Okay.
umupo ba? It's too heavy. She's too heavy naman. Anak. You're too heavy.
My candies.
Where is it? I do somersault na, be. Siya, tita na.
Some stuff.
Be, tingnan nyo. Siya pa ang naglagay dyan. Natawa ako, guys, kasi she was carrying it with the box, oh. Tapos nilagay niya dyan. Uy! Whoa! Good girl. Careful, nak, ha? Move a little bit. Move a little bit pa. Hello. Gising na gising pa. Careful with your hair, nak.
Let her kiss me.
Nah, that's alright. It's okay. She's still little, Anna.
Look at you. You should just kiss me.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Ikaw, you're a big girl naman. What? Are you a big girl? Yeah. Mama, pud ka diha, anak. Tingnan niyo siya, guys. O, ganyan yun talaga siya. Kahit sa ang bangag. Careful, ha? Baby Celine. Ayaw, nak.
Let her eat.
Eat you. How about you?
Yeah.
Careful, di, anak. She's got